Guys, how's it going? My name's Chris. Today we are testing Incite by Chemical Guys. This is a new wheel cleaner on the market. It's been on the market for probably 2 months. It turns white while it works, sprays on blue, turns white. I haven't tried it yet, but we are gonna try it on a few sets of rims to see how well the foam adheres to the wheel, how it sprays in crevices, how it applies to different style of rims to make sure it works for you. Now, Chemical Guy says to make sure the wheels are cool, so don't be using this when you show up to Cars and Coffee. Don't spray it on a hot rim. You want to pre-rinse the wheel, spray it on in about 15 seconds, agitate the wheel to get all the loose dirt off, dry with a microfiber towel, whatnot. Today we're not going to be doing all that. What we're going to be doing is we'll rinse the rim, we'll spray it on, we'll see how it clings to the rim, we'll watch it turn white, we'll spray it off, we'll test the smell, we'll test how well, like I said, it sprays into the drum. So let's go ahead and try it on a wheel, and then we'll try it on the Z4, we'll try it on a Ford Explorer, then we'll try it on my Ford truck, and if I have time we will do it on the Porsche Cayenne, since it has bigger rims and it's a little bit different than all the other wheels I have. So guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the wheels on the Z4. Let's go and rinse them off. We'll apply the product to the wheel as well to see if it can take off any of the built-in grease or dirt. Okay, but you can see it goes on pretty well. Now we did rinse the wheel, so it is a little bit runnier than I'd like to see it, so it's not clean to the wheel as well. But you can see it turning white, and at this time is when you'd want to use your Chemical Guy brushes to clean the rim while the soap's on there. As you can see, it went blue to white, and actually smells pretty darn good. It smells like blueberry. Let's spray it again. So getting inside the holes, it applies okay. Gets in the lug nuts pretty well. You can see in there, it gets into the wheel wells pretty good, and it sticks to the lugs pretty good when it's built up. Alright guys, it smells pretty darn good as well, like all Chemical Guys products, so let's go ahead and spray it down. Okay, bring you all in here. You can see. Alright guys, so the next rim we're going to do is on the 335i, and the spokes are a lot tighter, so we'll go ahead and we'll rinse off the rim. We'll follow the directions. Shake up the Incite pretty good. Alright, let's go ahead and apply it. Gets in between the spokes easily, and you can spray in the wheel well pretty good. Spray the tire down. Even though they don't sell this as a tire cleaner, okay? But I just want to see if we can get this white to turn brown as it takes off the grease and grime off of the tire. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds. At this time I'd probably be scrubbing with my Chemical Guys scrubbers, which you can find this product and the scrubbers in the description below. Let's go ahead and get it sprayed off. Alright guys, here we are. We're going to spray the rim on this Explorer, which is a little tiny rim. But I wanted to show you this one as well. Let me find it in the viewfinder. I can't see. There we go. Get my shit together. Alright, let's go and spray this down. Applies nice and even. Gets into the crevices pretty darn good as well. And if you really want to spray it on thick, just spray it on as thick as you need to. Turn these wheels Smurf blue, brakes and all. As you can see, if you can see on camera, it's kind of taking all the Armor All and layers of tire shine off of the tire as well. It's not what it's meant for, but it's doing it. Alright guys, so that was my review on Incite by Chemical Guys. It's the Incite foaming color changing wheel cleaner. I liked it. It smelled good. It went on nice. Didn't clean that well, but this would be good for a maintenance spray if you wanted to spray it every morning or at nighttime or when you're bored. It's about $10 a can, and one can will probably do your car 2 or 3 times depending on how thick you spray the foam on. For me, it probably only lasts 2 times. But yeah, anyways, it turned white when it was done working. Sprayed it off. It's a good maintenance, but as all cleaners, even Chemical Guy says you should agitate your rims if you want to get them the nice deep clean. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the videos. Give a like if you like the video. Subscribe for more content. A link is in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so I make a couple pennies if you buy something from that link. It supports the channel so I can buy more stuff to review. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.